Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Miriam. I looked online for some inspirational pieces and also something that I can buy to decorate my walls with, and I came across this piece right here. I thought it was cute, but not for that price. So I am going to be remaking this for a lot cheaper. If you're interested, just keep on watching. So I started my project out with straws. The straws that I have are left over from a craft that I did in the past, and the straws have like a bendable piece at the end of it where you actually put your mouth on. So I'm just gonna clip that piece off because I want my straws to be straight, and I don't want that bending piece to conflict with the decor piece. So I'm just going to cut all of that off from all of the straws to start off the project. Next, I picked up my foam head. This was the only thing that I had to buy for this project, and this cost me 97 cents at Walmart. So this is the only expense that I had for this entire project. So from $114 to spending 97 cents to remake this, I think was a great win. Next, I poked the straws right into the foam that I got, and I used the amount that I needed to achieve the look that I was going for. So you can use as many straws as you desire or as little straws as you desire, just until you get the look that you're going for. So even though you see me just poking the straws into the foam, I did notice that some of the straws did not stay. They were loose and they came out. So you see me over here, I'm going to take that straw out and I'm going to use my hot glue gun and put some hot glue on that, and then I'm going to stick it right back into the hole that I created. So if your straw doesn't stick firmly into the foam, you can just put your hot glue on that straw and then stick it right back into the hole. So I actually would recommend that you do that for all the straws, but I didn't do that to all of mine because the rest that I did stick into the foam did happen to stay firmly without using the hot glue. So just use your discretion while you're doing this step. At the conclusion of putting all the straws into the foam, this is how it looked. I then used my scissors and I poked a hole in the back of the foam, just a little bit, not too big, because this is actually how I'm going to be able to hang the decor piece up on my wall when I'm done. So just a little hole in the back. You don't have to put a big hole, depending on what you're using to attach your decor to the wall, but I'm actually going to be using this hole, and you'll see at the end. I then used my Rust-Oleum spray paint in silver, and I sprayed everything in silver. Make sure when you're spraying this that you get everywhere. You don't want any part of that straw to peep through, and you want to make sure you cover that foam up very well, because if it's not covered enough, the color of that straw and the color of the foam will pop out on you and it'll not look right at all. So make sure you put an excessive amount of spray paint. You might have to let it dry and then go back in and do it again to make sure that it's fully covered. So I let that dry for like an hour, and then I had these crystal things that I had used on my shoe. You guys, don't laugh. I decided to put some glitter on my shoes for church, and I noticed that I had some left over, so I'm like, oh, this would be perfect for this project. So I am going to use this with some hot glue, and I'm going to attach them right to the straw. So today's video is part of the Look for Less challenge that's hosted by Yami from the Latina next door, and Yami's co-host for this month is Courtney from Creative on the Cheap. I will have the link to both of their channels in my description box below. I will also have a link to the playlist available so you guys can check out what everyone was able to create. So I decided that I was going to be a little bit extra, and I added some glitter pieces to the actual foam, and I put some just to give it a little oomph and to give it a little uniqueness to my liking, but this is totally optional. To hang the actual decor piece up, I'm using push pins like I normally do. I don't put holes in the walls if I don't have to. So I'm just going to place that in the desired position and push it through before I hang my piece up. And to hang the decor piece, you remember the hole that I made in the beginning? I literally just pushed the foam right into it and it stayed secured. Now let's recap. This is what the original piece looks like. So Overstock is asking for $114 for this decor piece, which is where the inspiration came from, and this is how my 97 cents project came out. You guys, let me know what you think of this project. What would you have done differently? Did you enjoy it? If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I hope that you subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I will see you in my next video. Remember to always stay safe and stay blessed.